everyone, my name is Lauren Sutehall and I'm Karla Gomez's mentor. Karla is a sixth grader based in Massachusetts. Karla is interested in learning more about computer programming, and she's also interested in education. So we talked about creating a program to help her educate younger children about a concept or an idea. Using MIT's Scratch program, Karla decided to develop a fun program to teach younger children the alphabet, and she created some colorful friends to help her in this program. So I'm very proud of how quickly Karla learned and understood the programming within the MIT Scratch, and I'm excited for her to share her project with you today.
Hi, my name is Karla. I'm from grade 6, and my mentor is Lauren. And she does digital marketing, and she even helps sell things on Amazon. And she's from the USA, but she lives in South Africa. And her hobbies are that she works with cheetahs there, and she also has one kid, one husband, and one mentee, which is me. There is a photo of us there on the screen. We also made this project because we wanted to work with kids to learn their ABCs, and we had a lot of fun. Our project is called Discovery with Dinosaurs, and it's basically learning with dinosaurs the ABCs, so little kids learn their ABCs and a lot of good stuff. And me and my mentor are learning how to do coding on Scratch and also doing the coding for ABC Dinosaur program for kids. Also, another magic mentee called Salome Orajeve helped me with the coding of ABC Dinosaurs program, and I'm really helpful for her, or I wouldn't created this big idea without her help. And yeah. And there's a video of the project right there where basically it says that. Jane, it says that ABCs, it usually sings along, but for some reason I can't really hear the audio here, but it's really a good audio, and it took a long work and a lot of struggles with the timing, but it was kind of worth it because even Lawrence, my mentor, kid, he really loved it because he was the first little kid that watched it, and I watched the video where she sent it me, and it was beautiful how to see like a little kid like him was the first one really liked this program. And basically there's like a issue where it says like, oh, you forgot to say the letter M, which is for magic. It was supposed to say that on the video. And me and my mentor, Lauren, were having a lot of fun making up this project. And I was really grateful to have like a backup person to help me having ideas or fixing my errors or spelling or timing that I had to do for the project. I really enjoyed doing the coding for the first time, and it was difficult at first, but then I got a little help, like I said, from Salome, and I'm really helpful because she knew more about Scratch and I didn't, and that really helped me that she helped me since the first day. And one of the challenges that I had, it was working out with the timing for the project. It was really difficult for the letters and when to say it and all of that timing for the coding. It was kind of difficult, but we got through it and it came out good. Thank you.